Question 16. For each of the business's transactions given below, name the ledger account to be debited and to be credited. We have the transaction, proprietor took goods worth 2,000 for family use. So it goes to the debit is drawing account, then we go to credits is purchases. Then we go to goods valued at 4,500 was sold on credit. So we have debtors account and the credit is sales account. Then a check of 8,000 was issued by the business in payment of rent. We have rent account and then we go to the bank account. On the credit side, the business withdrew shillings 15,000 from the bank account for official use. So we go to the cash account in the debited, and then we go to the bank account. Question 17. State 4 disadvantages of pipeline transport. It cannot convey solid goods. It has no reverse journey. Cost of construction is high. Leakages cannot be detected easily. It's inflexible in terms of route. Only a single commodity can be transported at a time. It reduces chances of employment. And then it's an easy target by enemies during war. Question 18. The information below relates to Musoma Bookshop for the year ended 30th September 2020, year 2020. We have sales of cash 1.5 million. Then we have opening stock of 250,000. We have purchases of 1.3 million. And then we have a markup of 25%. Determine the gross profit. This is how you look for gross profit. We have the margin, which is 25%. Sales. Cost of sales, that is how you look for cost of sales. We go to question 19. Mrs. Sombote sells a variety of fruits, vegetables and cereals in a market store located in an urban market. Identify 4 methods that she may use to increase her volume of sales. Attractive display of stock, handling customers well, giving discounts to customers, selling to customers on credit, providing after-sales services, providing free gifts, providing free samples. Question 20. List the type of unemployment that suits each of the descriptions below. Description is, and then we have the type of unemployment. A large number of laborers crowded on a small piece of work. We have hidden unemployment. School leavers without information on where to get a job. Unemployment is frictional unemployment. Many people kept out of employment because of physical disabilities. Here we have residual unemployment. A female job seeker opting to get married instead of being idle. Disguised unemployment. Highlight 4 population characteristics of a country that is economically underdeveloped. High birth rate, high death rate, high population growth rate, low life expectancy, rapid rural-urban migration, low illiteracy level, low standards of living, a declining type of population. Question 22. Give 4 reasons why some producer farms carry out production close to the product market. It lowers the cost of distributing the product. It reduces breakages for fragile products. It reduces spoilage for perishable products. It enables the producer to exert influence on the market. Question 23. Outline 4 circumstances under which a manufacturer would not require the services of middlemen. When the products are highly fragile, when the products are highly perishable, when the manufacturer has own retail outlets, when production is carried out close to the market, when products are sold through tender, when products are produced on order, that is, they have a ready market, when production is on small scale, when the products are technical in nature. Question 24. List 4 ways used to classify partners in a business. Age of the partner, activities of the partner or participation of the partner, contribution of capital, and liability borne by the partner. Question 25. The 2-column cash book below is incomplete. Determine the missing values represented by letters P, Q, R, S, and T. Did you understand? Let me know in the comment section. Kindly also let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.